uyazi ukuthi ustruggle na something but ufuna ukubona kuzoza ama temptations but alokubhekile uyazi ukuthi awunasinko but ufuna ukubona wena ukuthi ngempela uyazi ukuthi uyiprovider yakho na uyayibona these are the tests leso sikhathi uyothandana kanjani ngoba kumilanga ujolo umzali
yeah, all right.
Uyayibona
Ngisholo phela mhlambe noma khona wase
even not the place engihlala kuyo women they pass there bacabanga ukuthi lo muntu mhlawumbe usaba abafazi because of ubuzalwane mfethu ubuzalwane buyimfihlakalo.
Uma brother wena uthini uthi charming is power.
Charming inamandla baba.
But it's deceitful.
Yeah
inamandla but it's deceitful.
Iphinde ibuye ithi beauty is passing. Uyayijwayela ibeauty.
Wena uzothini manje ufuna ukuthi kimi wena usebenzisa charming. Sho. Inkinga kwa control
ahlala ekhona but wena the strength
kanjani yes.
Onaso self kunenye apostle Paul uyikhulumile athi ithelo zikamoya it's self control, kindness, love, patience, peace. Akumelanga usishode momzalwane lezo zinto.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on Sunday and camera, this thing as usual. I got my man James and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Presentation bell as well as donate our details shown after this film. As we wanna donate our sanitary towels to our sisters, please help us to do so to achieve that. Thank you so much. Watch the episode until the end and don't skip the ads and make sure you give thanks if you can. It also helps the channel. Thank you so much. James, how are you on Grace?
We're on Grace.
Yeah,
we're on Grace. I trust this episode is gonna be informative.
Yeah.
Okay. Silapho.
Itata ithini ixesha
Ixesha lika Yesu
usuthi ibhadi
ngilambile usuthanda
hayi usudla ama chips wami ndawo zacishwa adla no plastic
akuninahleli ama chips
mara ngizowadla
ngiyakwazi to operate kanje
ngani
uyodala wadubika athinde bocaba ukuthi ovuleka ngana wabekela
noma chips samba. My brother, welcome to the show. Siyakubingelela sicela ubingelele emakhabe siyasho ukuthi sikhuluma ngani namhlanje.
Grace, mercy and peace to the brethren Ekaya. My name is Emmanuel Ramavuso. Then I'm born in Pretoria and with the location called Atteridgeville by Bizonwati Pelindaba. Currently, I bought a stand there Eloli. So yeah, then for me to come ukuze ngithenge istand Eloli, it was the prophecy to come here to live there, because I remember very well the Spirit of the Living God said, no, can you just pray? He gave me that thing, he gave me the message that he pray for 3 days. Then when I pray for 3 days, we need to obey. If you don't obey, you miss a lot. After 3 days, my brother, then I saw the place, but the place that I saw, it's near a mountain. And then it's near the mountain, and the place I don't know the place. Where is this place? So now I engage more and more to God. There is this place on Jengsayon and in Linda Wangyas. So, but it was very challenging to me to find in a faith uNkulunkulu yakwazi ukutesta ifaith yakho ukuthi ngempela what I told you then you believe, then it's gonna challenge you. It's gonna challenge you, it's gonna really challenge you. Then what happened uma la kukamamkhulu wami la eSinawane yabo, so vele from nakudala bengihlala ngilo ngize Soweto before kuzoba nabo Maponya, before kuzoba kanje bekuloku igravel, so la yabona Soweto nje ifana neAtteridgeville, ifana ngathi umntwana wakho ngathi ngikholele khona yabo. So nayo ke there is this thing yafika kimina ukuthi yazini, you know what, take a step as Abraham took. Then I had to ukuthi let me practice this. Kunento ebabiza ukuthi ngesingisi babiza ukuthi bathini the masculine polarity. Usho ukuthi u stand firm in your faith and you must ukholwe ngempela, you must stand firm. So I didn't know at that time ukuthi mina bengizitshela nje ukuthi when the Spirit of the Lord living God said do this, you must do it yabo. So bengisaba nje disobedience, because of I know ukuthi disobedience is yeah. And then from me ukusuka la ePretoria ukuza lapha, it was a serious warfare. Sometimes you will think ungathi uNkulunkulu akazange akhulume nawe, brother. Yeah, it was a serious warfare. It's not easy. Many people in the faith bayayiyeka bathi no, uyayiyeka, and uNkulunkulu angeke akuforce, uNkulunkulu uzokubheka, ngeke akuforce. That's one thing I know about God, angeke aze akuforce, uzokuyeka, uzokutshela ukuthi ngithi so. Yabona uAbraham wamtshela ukuthi uzoba ningane. uAbraham yena wazithathela nje that foreign woman from Egypt, angithi beka islave, wazenzela ingane, walalela nje uSara yabo. Uyabona ubayekile ababheka athi labantu laba phela ba understand why humanity, I don't know, it's mentality or it's our nature to sometimes to fail God, even though you know the voice yakaNkulunkulu, but the faith is tested, is always tested. But it is not easy for other people to believe. As long as if you didn't hear God, yeah, it's not going to be easy. So it's going to be a challenge. So then, ngeza la Soweto ngaqasha la Soweto. So momkhulu wami, she's late now. Momkhulu wami wathi kumele uzohlala la kancane. Ngathi no, mina sengithanda ispace sami ngoba nale ePretoria ngangiqashile bangithatha ngihlala esontweni. So isonto la khona bilise, there is this place called iseduze Pretoria West, Begui Lotus Gardens. Yeah, I stayed there Begwisonto bandla nje linkulu, and God told me that time that He will move here from that time. Yabona ukuthi bekuyijeni. Yabona every time when God move you to another level, yangitshela ukuthi now you will move here and then go to the other side. So that's why it's very important to have a serious relationship noNkulunkulu, uzokwazi uku-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu usebenza kanjani. So uzokufundisa yena ukuthi indlela zakhe ezinjani, but only if you are willingly ukuthi ungahamba naye and then uthanda ukumuzwa. But it is going to take faith, because of uNkulunkulu ufuna amaKristu abangamasotsha abangaloku bakhala njalo yabo. Yeah, abangaloku bakhala. Sometimes you don't like, sometimes you had to ukuthi struggling with something, uyazi ukuthi struggling with something, but ufuna ukubona kuzoza ama temptations, but alokubhekile uyazi ukuthi awunasinko, but ufuna ukubona wena ukuthi ngempela uyazi ukuthi uyiprovider yakho na. Uyayibona, these are the tests. So yeah, today bengicabanga ukuthi sikhulume nge this thing topic today it's to be aligned with God. It's very important. Because ngikathi ngisaqashile ngila eSoweto, then I had to tell cousin yami, you know what, mina ngifuna ke loli estandeni sakho, yabo, athi ngempela uzakhona, athi yabona. So that place vele yona ngithi ayikakabi ne development kahle kalona. Hayi ngamcela ngathi hayi ngizobona phambili, akusakhulumi mina manje sengifuna sengifuna ukutesta le faith ukuthi ngempela I have this thing. Because of even Apostle Paul said that if you want to say that you have faith, test yourself to see that if you have a real faith. Where I want with manje it's deeper than what we think salvation is. Salvation is not me carrying a Bible going to church. Yo, my brother. Salvation is very deeper than that. Then I had to go there and stayed there. And then at that time, bengenza i-practical ye-technical support ye-IT. Yenza ama-computer le angithi bekuyi-course okade bengiyenza. Yenza ama-computer le. Manje laphayana then they had to move from eMaponya by eParamount. Paramount abasenza imali, then that guy akasangibizi imali nayo iyangiphelela. And the lender lengihleli kuyo ngisesemusha, but I didn't tell them ukuthi hey kunzima, but mina ngazitshela ngathi uma ngabe ngempela ngihamba naye uNkulunkulu, I'm not gonna call them ukuthi I need money, ufuna ukubona ngempela ukuthi ngihamba naye na. Then hlala lapho James kanti ahlala azikudla kwami esendeni sika sisi wami. Yeah. Bayibiza ikokotela le nto.
Kokotela.
Yeah.
Ninda wathi Lakeview la.
iLakeview ikhona ya.
Ikokotela or
kunekokotela kune Lakeview. Yeah. iLakeview is next to iEnedale.
Okay.
Mawuse Lakeview next to iEnedale.
Oh.
Yeah, iseduze.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes ngezindlela abantu bayazi ngezindlela le ndawo mabadlula.
Yeah, awukanti yazazi indawo.
Yeah. Kuseduze khona vele khona iqiniso. Kuseduze.
Asike sicagcina sikhuluma ngeloli.
Yeah.
Agcina sikhuluma ngeloli.
So you know that time ngazitshela ngathi no, let me just leave abantwana basekhaya, mina ngizobona ngindoda ngizozibona yabo. So I need to test even my faith, I need to see if my faith works yabo. So I had this thing ukuthi let me scrutinize myself. Okay, then nakho ke sengihleli imali phelile ngiyothenga ngani ukudla, and manje kunomunye ubhuti bengihlala naye lapha na umuntu oyiphuzela inkambi zakhe eyidakwela. It was tough nokuthi ngim-understand because mangicabanga ukuthi mina kumele ngizame ukuthi ngibone ukuthi ngiyohlanganisana ngiyophanda kanjani yabo. Kwabonakala ukuthi no ngathi angeke ngimhluphe lo bhuti, ngizobona mina ukuthi ngenza kanjani. Into kade bengibhekile bekwamanzi.
Manzana.
I had to drink water without food baba. Bengiphila akhona amanzi abantu bayidonse ngamapipe yamthola. Yes, badonse ngamapipe. Abantu bayidonsele ngamapipe. Amanzi wona bewakhona bekukudla kwami that time. And I prayed. Bengithandaza ngathi I don't know. Ngathi bengingena nomngane. Bengingena nekhampani. Yeah, I had to pray.
Akekho umuntu othandana naye ngazo.
Uzathandana kanjani uma usempini? Uzenza uzathandana sikhatsini. Leso sikhathi uyothandana kanjani ngoba kumilanga ujolo umzali wami. Uyayibona?
Yeah, alright.
Uyayibona?
Engisholo phela mhlambe noma khona wase
Even not the place engihlala kuyo. Women they pass there bacabanga ukuthi lo muntu mhlawumbe sababafazi because of ubuzalwane mfethu ubuzalwane buyimfihlakalo. To be a believer it's a hidden secret. It's not just a thing ekhulunywa ngaphandle. It's a hidden thing. Like angeke bak understand because of they don't know you. Angithi wena uyazi why mphila kanje. It's not to be a believer basingakhuluma sayale nale kunama message amaningi le nale. It's not about you are practicing the miracle bomzalwane.
So can I ask?
Deep,
I understand in the concept of jola. Umzalwane ukuthi ayifuni but awukwazi ukuba ne partner. Like umuntu yes niyathandana mara
yes.
sihamba ngendlela yobuzalwane.
awuzohamba kanjani?
Asihagana sicabuzani siyathandaza
Okay.
siyathandaza like siyazi ukuthi this is what we need to do.
Yeah.
You understand?
Aziqinisile ukuganda ngayizwe into ayisho.
Like sibe
Nanokuthi
Yeah.
umuntu uyamfunda phela.
Khona kunesinye script engisifundile ngathi it's Ecclesiastes. It's enjoy the women of your youth. Enjoy the women of your youth.
the woman.
Enjoy enjoy the wife of your youth or the women of your youth. Angazi ukuthi
Basho ukuthini bra?
ikusuke kuchazwa ngalendlela yena ayikhuluma ngakhona ukuthi angithi uma abanye mhlambe bayikhuluma ngendlela ukuthi no yazini asazane kangcono. But then here is a catch. You must remember ukuthi hey siphila komunye umhlaba. Sometimes inkanuko ziyavuka. Umuntu angithi
Awu my brother nakweziyavuka.
my brother
Hawu
how
kahle ngisho ukuthi nakwe na
no I'm saying ukuthi we are not the same abantu asifani. Mina kimi I can do that but umunye angeke ayenze. That's why sinabo brother nabo sister banabantwana bangakashado. Mara but ekubeni basekukholweni.
wena mfana unangana na namfazi.
Anginangani.
Na print right ndayiza hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe hayi ukuthi into right phela.
And many people are shocked.
Yeah.
ukuthi you don't have any temptations.
Unawo
Ithi
inkinga kwa control.
ahlala ekhona but wena the strength
kanjani yes.
onaso self kunenye apostle Paul uyikhulumile athi ithelo zika moya it's self control, kindness, love, patience, peace. Akumelanga usishode momzalwane lezo zinto. You need to be complete. So that's why consecration is very tough because consecration is deep. Isusa nalapho wena struggle khona.
Awona maybe kumele sibuyele back wena since uma ukhula uba awenzanga lezi zinto zamathandana mhlambe.
Mina ngingake ngazenza ngifana na wonke umuntu. Ngake ngazenza. Ngaziyeka.
No, yes.
Ngiyazazi izinjani. I know the test, I know the everything. I know the ngiphuzile ngihambile ngaya.
Aw. So nesikhathi singanani uyeke zonke lezi zinto my brother?
Ngibona. Maybe it's 15 years manje ngizikile.
Uthi nomuntu should
lapho ganda uyazi nawe lapho. Yeah.
nami ngiyazi le ngase Pretoria ganda.
Lapho uyazi.
Ngiyibona cousin yami hlala khona. Since lapho kwazi udibana nomuntu esifazane.
Ngihlangane nabo my brother. Ngihlangane nabo nasemsebenzini bengisebenza ngithi. Nangisebenza.
Uqaleni ukuba pure Peter.
2000 and it's 2010.
Esasho ukuthi from 2010 awuphinda ungaba
Angizange.
Hayi my brother
It's a magic my brother angizange.
My brother ngeke my brother
But that thing yokuthi yokufuna a woman, that thing iba khona naturally, so iba khona. But that's why I'm saying a self-control must be there. Without self-control angeke uhambe noNkulunkulu.
Akekho nomuntu esifazane mhlawumbe akekho awuhlali lapho. Akekho nomuntu esifazane wakwabona oke mhlawumbe wazama kancane ukumazi.
Ukumazi, remember ukuthi yes, ithi ngithi ngiyafisa ukuthi kube njalo ukuthi ngibe ngimazi, kodwa we must wait for the right time, ne? But here is a catch again. Abafani labantu. Omunye uzofunela le naye.
Hey.
Into enmayihlanganiswe Holy Spirit ngicabanga ukuthi mina izohamba ngendlela.
Yeah, uma ngabe yena ugrounded.
Esesho lokuthi awumthola umuntu mhlawumbe grounded.
Ngihlangane nama challenges amaningi kakhulu. I don't
Kuyo
know.
le ndlela.
Yeah, ngihlangane nama challenges amaningi. Sometimes you will think it's easy, it's not easy.
Hey, for
Kunama, that's why.
16 years.
You know why? Usathana akayifuni lento ukuthi wena uhlale keep the pure. Udestroya izinto zakhe ngithi wena mawuthandaza wena phela it's a dunamis, urelease a dunamis. For you to be pure. Usathana akayifuni leyo nto.
You know what dunamis?
It's a high power, uni high power. Nanoma ngingacula khona manje. Kunezinto ezenzakala in the kingdom of darkness.
Ucula nje.
It's a purity.
Yona yenzeka idunamis.
Iyenza leyo nto, it's purity. When you obey and pure become pure.
Shintsho wena mangacula manje.
Into le ekhona ngicela unomngane wami 10 years. No alcohol celebrate. 10 years. That's why it's possible.
Yeah.
Yabo. Na ngihlale mara ngihluke ngijoka naye. Ngijawa nama ungathandaza.
Kanti ngicela uphindele
Ungathandaza
umama wengane.
Isimvula.
My brother.
Ushoda ngokusindiswa mina.
My brother, lento salvation, bingisayisho lento salvation is very serious.
My brother. Pho manje abantu ngoba bakhona abantu aba as advisor labantu because khona abantu bayizama umuntu ahluleke ena 4 months. Kuhlwa nayi 2 weeks.
Ngithi mhlambe ithi ngithi mina singabapheleli inhliziyo sometimes. It's
But
not easy.
ngenze njani like si uChris ufuna ukuqala lento leyo wena ukuyo mhlawumbe ukuthi nanokuthi mapha ama challenges.
Ama challenges wona azoba khona ngeke akuyekela azohlala khona.
Njengani?
Angifuni ukuqambela mama. Uma ungahlala wathi wena ufuna ukuba straight noNkulunkulu ne? Ufuna ukumkhonza straight pure righteousness so. Uzobona like singabantu sinamehlo siyabona ngithi. Then kunabanye bazoziletha. There are women abazoziletha. Ma umuntu wesimame, there are men they will propose you. Abanye banemali futhi ma women abanye ma umuntu wesimame abanye abantu nje kuza abubhudi laba abacharming abanemali. Sebenza kahle. Then if you are not guiding that, if you are not having that strength power, self-control layer, uma ingekho lapho you fall. Because remember ukuthi charming is power.
Uthi my brother uphinda.
Charming is power. Angithi the book of Proverbs iti yini ngathi ku 31 mangena mama yabona iti charming is deceitful but beauty is passing. Ungashada intombazani enhle uthi ngifuna ahlale kimi ngoba muhle lo ngizoba right ngizoba satisfied.
Yeah.
My brother, let me tell you, uyamjwayela uyobona bahle phambili le. Umuntu omuhle, omunye futhi uzombona. Lo umjwayela usabona ubuhle bakho.
Like that, it makes sense.
Uthini?
You don't marry for beauty.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. You don't marry. And ubona namje angifuna intombazane enhle, ngifuna intombazane enama morals nan. But now I'll never marry for beauty. Uma brother wena uthi charming is power.
Charming inamandla baba.
But it's deceitful.
Yeah.
Inamandla but it's deceitful.
Iphinde ibuye ithi beauty is passing. Uyayijwayela ibeauty.
Wena uzothini manje ufuna ukuthi kimi wena usebenzisa charming. Sho. Abeka kakhulu impela. Asinda abeka kakhulu impela. Futhi yazi indlela ibeka ngayo my brother ngiyayizwa. So when usebenzisa charming yokuthi kusho abantu bayiletha abantu sifazane. Babajahana. Lento angifuna ukukushola but
ithi mina uma ngabe inkazimulo kaNkulunkulu lapho kuwe Chris. Khona manje sibane okay let's say kunama lights uyabona lama lights I light.
Yeah.
But enye insect ifuna ukuya lapha nje. Iglory kaNkulunkulu isibani. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuya lapha ababona ubuhle. So that's why ngitshela ngithi mangayibamba lento kaNkulunkulu wayibamba waya straight uzoba attract. Yeah.
Shouldn't my brother so feel to decline.
I have a question now. Besides like more Joba Uti I get the fact that you are aligned no Nkulunkulu. Ane? So Nkulunkulu, like, are you able to see what this one is sent by God?
Lona uzongilinga nje. Yeah.
Maybe a team guy chance. Like,
yeah, right, because right mbuzo wakho because remember kunabanye bazoza ngathi bathunywa uNkulunkulu. Sometimes kunabanye abantu they have altars ukuthi I need to speak in my altar. I need that man. Uza ngathi uNkulunkulu.
So my brother uyafisana into ukuthi women will come because they
my brother even women aba aligned noNkulunkulu they bahamba kule ndlela bahlangana nalawo ama challenges.
Uma brother unesonto lakho noma I not tell lakho phela ngithi isonto kaNkulunkulu.
Ayu fellowship. Ngake ngaba yipastor youth twice. So bebangifuna again ngathi no. And mostly abantu mangiba pastoral or mangiba shumayiza abanye they get married. Because ngisuke ngikhuluma ireality yeimpilo zabo. Angikhulumi angeke ngifike ngipreach ngisuke uma if I minister through ireality oyifaceayo wena.
Manje like interested story saseloli sokuthi njengoba uphuza amanzi usabave kanjani?
Wena usesemanzini usibuyisele emuva my brother. Usafuna ukukhuluma ngamanzi.
Uhlale isikhathi singakanani aphuza amanzi athanda.
Yeah, but it's not common to many people and ayibuzayo. Ngoba believers angithi bona they believe ukuthi most of the believers angithi bona they believe ukuthi uyadla uyasutha angilambi angithi uNkulunkulu nami in hey you know I bless God yabona. They don't know ukuthi
my brother uyathandaza nilambile ikonzo ukuthi ufike uthanda.
My brother, if you don't have nothing on your stomach, you know the power ya uNkulunkulu yenzani la.
Yenzani?
Usutha ulambile. Ungagijima nabantu abasuthi wena ulambile kodwa
kube
yeah, that's dynamics.
Ayiphendula uGanda kulento yakho usuphuza amanzi ke manje lapha
yeah
ngifuna understand for how long angithi manje uthi awusasebenzi
ukuthi angisekho sure
awusasebenzi useloli awusasebenzi
yeah at that time
food Yavuma uphumeni lapho, are you still in that situation?
At that time ngithola message kaNkulunkulu. Message kaMoya Ngcwele uthi kimi, the word of the Lord said, don't worry, I will prepare for you something. I will prepare for you to food to eat. uNkulunkulu yakhuluma baba.
Nangempela.
And manje nginkathi ngihleli stand sika sisi lapha. Then the word of the Lord said, no, you know what? Uzophuma nento zakho hamba endaweni yakho. Angisebenzi. Uyibhadala ngani indawo? But uNkulunkulu ukutshela kanjani?
Uthatha impahla.
That's faith, my brother. That's faith. You must believe. You must believe. Mina ngazitshela ngathi okay, let me just find ngifuna ikhona nyana ngizozenzela mhlambe ikhawashi khona ikhawashi in. Ngathola ukuthi komunye umuzi ama CPF lapho bang introduce ku CPF. Nami ngadeploy ukuthi no, wena ngena lapha ya ene la ngena khona bebabhadala kahle, bebabhadala kancane ukudlula amanye abantu bekuyikolo bas deploy ikolweni yabo. Ngabhadala leso stand leso, ngathenga istand kanjalo. Mbona uNkulunkulu usebenza kanjani? uNkulunkulu angathi, "Hey my son, take a million hand sebenza ngendlela. Wena uzobona wenza izinto ucabanga ukuthi akusuku."
Hey my brother, ngiyithanda izindlela okholelwa ngayo. Because abantu bayafika umuntu akhulume lokho kodwa bengakwenzi. Yabo umuntu afika umfuna umuntu engafika athi ningalali but uyalala esontweni. Uyabona? Umuntu nangihleka.
Shy point.
Hey, sangisho lokho. Thothi umuntu uyabona wena.
That is what free.
Hey, wena lento ofika manje uzoyisho.
Hey,
Uthi mina mangithandaza manje kuthi kwenze yini igama le?
konje yini idunamis.
Idunamis kuvuleka yona. Uthothi
And I can assure you, it's just that ukuthi I don't know sibuyele ngifuna ukuya komunye message. I don't know ukuthi sizabuyela khona, uzangikhumbuza sibuyele khona. Ngoba kunomunye message engifuna ukuthi singene kuwo ngoba le izos extend. Kunomunye message engifuna singene kuwo enginikezwe uNkulunkulu. And then I don't know ukuthi isikhathi masivuma sizabuyela khona ngoba ngibona ngathi isikhathi sizosishaya yabo.
yeah,
I don't know
no.
sizabuya.
No, sizokwenza sinye isikhathi because okay, but ngifuna sisivale ngokuthi lento leyo yokuba faithful kuNkulunkulu ibaleke kangakanani.
My brother, even though it takes you to tango ukuthi ungabi mhlambe ungasebenzi ungasebenzi bathi awusebenzi, that's why ubusy nale Christianity yakho, but when you keep on believing in uNkulunkulu ukubhekile wena ucabanga ukuthi akakuboni just because of ubuhlungu obuzwayo. Umuntu kunande nature yobuhlungu obuzwayo, they mock you and God cannot be mocked. Phela if uma ngabe uyangihleka usho ukuthi it simply you means wena uthi uNkulunkulu uyahluleka ukumsupply all my needs.
Uhleka uNkulunkulu.
Uyangithola?
My brother, what is important because umunye umuntu uzobuka ekhaya enza ijoke.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Hey, that's why mina mangithola umsebenzi, mangabe kunento engizoyithola bayangitshela ukuthi you find this thing. Mangabe ngizothola mangabe I will meet or ngizoshada, I know I will be told.
Njengamanje ulinde ukuthi uNkulunkulu akutshele.
Like angeke ngithi mhlambe mina ngithi ngiyalinda ukuthi angitshele. Yabo? But kunabanye abantu bakhethelwe leyo ministry ukuthi wena uyohamba ngendlela yami, so uzoba iexample phakathi kwabantu bami ukuthi you don't fail me, you wait for me until things happening. Uzohlangana namantombazane wa propose but ungekho no one ohambelana nawo. It's a challenge, it's a spiritual warfare ngithi.
Yeah.
It's a spiritual warfare ngithi. Uzohlangana nabo but uzohlangana nabantu abarong. manje seyifuna we seyiza kuwe now uNkulunkulu ufuna ukubona wena ukuthi ngempela uyamthemba. It's not because I'm seeking a woman who is pure. Le iphakathi kwami nefaith enginayo kuNkulunkulu. Kuthi ngempela you believe me in marriage. You strictly need grounded ngempela ukuthi ufuna marriage ophuma kimi na. We are still playing. Ask akakholwa.
Hey my brother, ushuthi mina ngisakhali kancane, mina ngisakhaliswe nje. Isikhathi uma uthi na 15 years mina sengivele ngacishe
My brother. Don't like unga like yabona mina ilife yami angeke ifane nale yakho iphilayo. And I don't expect ukuthi wena uphile lempilo mina ngiyiphilayo. I fine, but mina into engizoku encourage ngayo ukuthi wena nje uma ngabe une chance yokuthi you can marry, why not? Tell God ukuthi ucela akuvula amehlo ubone kahle.
Hayi, yabona into engithusa my brother, the way you strong akhona ngoba yabona thina ezamadoda kunzima ukureject umuntu osifazana mayelethe most ithu.
My brother ngihlangana namantombazana.
So nama ukhona ukuthi ayilethe kodwa
my brother ngihlangana namantombazana amahle kakhulu.
Hayi unama. Hayi 15 months.
My brother,
this is the 16th year.
Nami ngize ngasho ngathi ngempela ngikhonile na. La namanje ngisathi ngempela ngikhonile na.
Khona esontweni bayiletha khona esontweni.
Esontweni yakwazi ukushada umuntu oronke esontweni.
Hayi. Uthini manje?
Ngiyakutshela. It takes you to tango, my brother. We need to be grounded. Mangabe sikholelwa kuNkulunkulu, simele sikholelwe kuNkulunkulu ngeqiniso. Akusijoke salvation. But bathatha njengejoke bayalewa akusijoke.
Hey brother, wena sekufika senikhuluma nje senibeka kwenye 11 mathi siyathusa serious my brother manje.
Akusijoke.
Hey 11
bro. Hey. Yo.
Mama, before my late mother, I remember her very well. Wangibuza wathi, "Angungitshele mntwana mkhona kanjani?"
Ubuza ubani?
Ubuza mina umama.
Okuzalayo?
Yeah. Wathi khona kanjani? Ngiyakutshela.
Ngikushaya. Washo amantombazana ku TikTok. Ngizokushaya.
Athi khona kanjani? Ngathi hayi. Like mina my mother ne umuntu like ukhona ngokomoya but yena bekuyimpostoli bengena kwimpostoli wabelieve ancestral sanity babili, but he knows about this faith because of the amapostoli ayalifundiswa mfethu.
Umama use worried useyabona manje ukuthi
i-worried yona izoba khona. Yaziwa ngithi izoba khona. The nature of man ithi awufanelanga ufike kule age yami ungakabi nomntwana nomfazi.
Kanti usumdala kakhulu.
Hey my brother.
Phela umuntu ungabubu.
Sometimes mina
umnika iminyaka la umuntu umnika iminyaka.
Sometimes mina yabona appearance yami. I-appearance yami sometimes iyaba confuse abantu. Yeah, iyaba confuse abantu.
Bayithi umncane.
Yeah.
Because when honestly I'd say you are early 30s now.
Yeah, iyaba confuse. Yes. Iyaba
confused.
Bon
Confused.
Phela usis. Phela most abanye like abanye yabona kunabanye abo. Kunabanye abo sis ne. Kunabanye abo sis. They don't believe ukuthi ngiyabadlula mina. But ngempela wena uyangidlula ngeminyaka uya older than me. Ngithi I'm older than you.
Uma brother dula ngakhe. Wena kanti umophe kunangakhe.
Late 30s, early 40s. Yazi ngigage kanjani? Angeke mfethu if ukuma early 30s, 2010 futhi ubheka sase fresh from school. 2010 uyeka yonke.
Azenzo i-answer ngizoyithola la izon surprise.
My brother, ngina 43.
Yabo.
43. Kusese early. Angithi awunangana unamfazi manje. Kodwa
But
mangaba
still umhlolo culturally umhlolo.
Umama bekafuna abazukulu.
banjalo
Parents
ungaphiki
vele banalento yokuthi
Pressure
abanga
enjalo.
eyokunikana
Pressure.
nabantwana funa bazo
That's why ngithi sometimes some other people or abazalwane ungaba phelela inhliziyo bashawe ipressure baba pressurizing.
ukuthi mama athi wena ngifuna umkhwenyana wena ngifuna umakoti.
Yeah.
cool story side ya sis lawyer athi they got married because of pressure sesontweni.
Athi bona my brother lento yakho yazi ngiyabonga ukuthi ilethe le episode because ivula into eyiningi angithi yabo enye into emasontweni pressure ababanika yona
That's
abantu
too much. Mina noma ngithi vele bebafuna ukungifaka kuleyo nto
so feel
yokuthi kumele manje ngoba soyasebenza kumele ube nentombazane ozoyishada la isontweni. Angithi manje ngiyabheka amantombazane like first thing musla isalvation ingakulahlekela.
what you mean
Ngaphakathi la isontweni but salvation ingakulahlekela. Uyambona na ukuthi salvation law ingakulahlekela.
kanjani my brother
My brother, kunabantu bayenza izinto ngaphandle wena you don't know. Wena ngithi wena you are living a holy life. Sometimes uNkulunkulu uyangitshengisa ukuthi yabona lentombazane yena lo ntombazane le akuclaimelayo ukuthi uyakufuna bheka ukuthi wenzani. Omunye bamdate estekineka. Because of God the Lord showed me ukuthi nangu bamdate estekineka.
umbona phi
God showed me in the vision.
bambona
Bamdate.
bamba
Bamdate. Mina I was thinking bengingakakhuli that time in faith. Ngathi it's just a dream nje into engizibona la yo. My brother, it's true ngahlangana naye anomuntu ahamba nomuntu and uyabona ukuthi they are couples.
ekuthi yalimala
My brother, it's deep. That's why I need it's deep, yabo. Hey, it's deep. Salvation is very deep.
but uyafisa ukuthi ube nomndeni one day
Leyo vele inature indoda enginingi. Yesifiso sayo, yeah. Isifiso seyindoda enginingi. But kunabanye abantu they bona ba decide kanjalo ukuthi mina I'm alone. Bakhona. Bona bayifuna.
asifunde yeah
Wena ungacabanga ukuthi
uthini
wena ungacabanga ukuthi
ukuthi you wanna be alone awufune mntwana awufune mfazi you just wanna be alone for the rest of your life
scriptural there are people like that but bona bafuna
but
umshado.
isn't that going against the word
the bible because inangizana kumele bazalane phela
multiply right
kusho iBhayibheli
Anti uKristu washo wathi bakhona wena nina uma ningeke watshela ama disciples wathi nina uma ningeke angithi wayichaza lento edivorce wathi okay it's fine nina uma ningeke nibe nama partners ithi ngikhulume kanjalo uma ningeke nibe nama partners bakhona abantu abadalelwe ukuthi babe nama family but divorce ayifuneki. Sometimes you can be like ithi what is the difference between umuntu o close noNkulunkulu mhlambe o close noNkulunkulu ongenamfazi akanamfazi but u close noNkulunkulu or akanandoda but u close noNkulunkulu and then now akamazi uNkulunkulu salvation akayifuni but une family what is the difference there? Uyabona ukuthi kumele sibheke both sides. Yeah, kumele sibheke both sides.
Ifuna uNkulunkulu but yes
lo muntu efamily akekho close noNkulunkulu yebo my brother kule episode
So
kule episode
what's
ngifunda
the
into
difference?
eyiningi
It's
That's the
serious,
question.
this
What's the
thing.
difference
akahlukana ubheda.
Uyayibona? That's why I'm trying to bring that ukuthi sometimes I want to blow mentality yomuntu.
ukuthi phela James uthi my brother engavele ethi angifune intombazana ngifune ingane ngifune family uNkulunkulu wami
But uNkulunkulu angabi ne problem ukuthi uhlelo uyi1 but aseve uNkulunkulu. Uyayizwa ukuthi injani indaba yami. But useve uNkulunkulu. Nize la kuma podcast and then to declare what I see to the Lord. Abantu boguquke ini. but ngizoloku ngijajwa ukuthi anginamntwana but kuNkulunkulu nginani nginomkhayela mfethu. The judgment is too great baba. kuNkulunkulu i-judgment kaNkulunkulu too great but umuntu yena
hayi my brother mina ngiyithanda indlela okholwa ngayo. Hayi cha uzophumela obani impela cha ngiyabonga impela ngiyithanda indlela okholwa ngayo yazi. Phela siphila emhlabeni oyinkani kwabantu bahlale befuna ukulala nabantu.
yeah.
Wena makhona ukuyibamba for 15 years. Hayi siyaphambili impela.
And before ngivala ngicela ukudlula kulento ye baptism uNkulunkulu wangitshela ngayo. There are people bayohamba baya Marivas bayo baptize labantu eMarivas bangakamtsheli athi abangitsheli athi bahamba bayo baptize lapha abangitsheli. You know why? He gave me this revelation ukuthi I saw the group of the covens. The coven a group yabathakathi, witchcrafters. The leader yabo ungena emanzini khona kuma rivers ukhuluma kunema tanks wabo ukhuluma ngama tanks. He moved kuma rivers ukhuluma ngama tanks. I was very shocked at the people they go there. Not all of the brethren, but some of them they don't go there because of when you are there u baptize umuntu initiate from the kingdom of darkness. Yeah, uyamangala wena kwenze ezinye izinto. I understand now life yakho we understand nabantu abasak understand athabangje. So if you can check, let's check Proverbs chapter 3 verse 6. Ngicela sibheke manje ngabe inama Bible but mina ngifuna ukubheka i1 Samuel chapter 23 chapter 3
Yes.
verse 6.
Verse 6.
Yeah, verse 6. Yeah.
Proverbs 3 verse 6. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your paths straight. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your paths straight.
Imnandi mawuyifunda nginawo ngokwakho. It gives you the wisdom, right? Yeah, ikunikeza ukuhlakanipha. And uzwa uDavid uthini ku first Samuel chapter 23. I don't know if version yakho ngathi right kakhulu.
Samuel.
Yeah, first Samuel. Yeah. First Samuel chapter 23. What is the importance of inquiring uNkulunkulu before wenza anything?
First Samuel.
Yeah, first Samuel. I don't know. Ngifunde uzayifunda ngeversion yakho. Maybe this one is different then.
Yeah. First Samuel verse chapter 1.
Chapter 23. Ngicela
Chapter 23 verse.
ngicela sicale ku verse 1.
Verse 1. David delivered Keilah.
Yeah. Ithi ngifunde ngizaza kule version it was reported to David, look, the Philistines are fighting against Keilah and raiding the threshing floors. 2. So David inquired of the Lord, should I launch an attack against the Philistines? The Lord answered David, launch an attack against the Philistines and rescue Keilah. Angithi yamuzwa kuyakhulunywa akazenzela akathi uNkulunkulu ngicela ungenzele into so bese uyazenzela. He wait for the response bese wenza according to the response I told from uNkulunkulu. So that's why I'm trying to put abantu baya kuma rivers ngoba even nakuma swimming pool angithi abantu baya baptize ku swimming pool. I don't want to argue on people abayo baptize kuma swimming pool. Yabo, I don't want to argue on that, but ngifuna ukukhuluma straightly, ngifuna kuba specific people abaya kuma rivers.
No.
Ukuthi when they go there they must inquire for a sanctification yamanzi.
Okay.
Because of uNkulunkulu, he told me, because of remember when I called you ngathi hey bangitshele lo message and then uloku uyangihlupha because ngangise Pretoria. lately ngomshado umntana kamama mabeshadwa ngiyi-1 nangiyi-2 za this month so ngithe mangibuya uNkulunkulu wathi no don't forget to go there and pronounce my message. Yeah, so that's why I called you there.
No, izwakele my brother, siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Otherwise yeah, ayisifundile namhlanje kube kuningi my brother, and siyabonga ukuthi kusekhona abantu abanjengani abahlala kwi-faith ngale ndlela because kubalekile ukuthemba uNkulunkulu siyakuhlonipha kakhulu ukuthi uzile waletha ne-message. Siyabonga kakhulu. James, how are you?